Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a mandala using Procreate's Symmetry and Drawing Assist. And you can use this technique to create artwork such as this, or this, or this. And it's also a great way to create a product that you can sell online, such as adult coloring books or children's coloring books. And when you're coloring it yourself, it's a very good therapeutic way to end your day. If you're new to Procreate, I also have a tutorial called 25 Procreate Tips and Tricks, which is great to watch first because as I draw, I will be using these fast actions. I will link that video below. So let's grab a black color. Then we're gonna grab just a simple round brush. We're gonna have it at about this type of thickness. And then we're gonna go into settings. Then we're gonna enable the drawing guide. And then we're gonna hit edit drawing guide. Then you're gonna be presented with all these options here. So let's go to symmetry at the very end. And then we're gonna hit options. Then you're gonna see 4 different types of guide options. We're gonna select radial, and then make sure that your rotational symmetry is off and that your assisted drawing is on. And then hit done. So another way to tell if your drawing assist is on is just go into your layer, and then you're gonna see it says assisted right at the bottom of layer 1. And all we gotta do is just start drawing. So whatever I draw in one pie shape will end up in the other pie shape. So I'm just gonna start drawing a design. And it might help you if you just focus on one pie shape. And really, this is just doodling. So that's how it looks so far. Maybe we could do something over here as well. And I think that's how I want to end it. And just another tip, you might want to make your canvas square. It just makes it easier in case you want to go, let's just say I want to go further up, it's just going to get cut off right there. So you just want to make sure that your canvas is square if you want to do a bigger design. So that's the mandala, and we can go ahead and color it, or you could print it off and color it. You could put it up for sale if you have a store. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm just going to put it underneath. And it's always good to have a color palette already done. So I'm just going to show you how to quickly color it in. If you color it on layer 1, you're going to go over your black lines, as you can see. But if you go to the layer underneath, then you can just paint like that. Another option, if you do want to go on layer 1, is you could just drag and drop the color. So let's say I want to drag it like that. Let me just undo that. And also what's really cool is if I make layer 2 also an assisted symmetry layer, just click on the layer and just make sure drawing assist is turned on. So whatever I draw in one pie shape will end up in the other pie shape. And that just makes the coloring go faster if you're impatient, like me. And also, if you really want to go faster, you just go back to the layer 1 assisted, and then you just drag and drop the color. So let's pick a green. And as you can see, it's happening on all of the other areas. So let's just go and turn off the drawing guide, and then you can see how pretty this looks. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.